Testing.
아니 드링아도 데다 좀사 사자디 냥가 숑부 쇼 차대요레 인지 숑게데 실리 슈사 안 실리 레고 아니 가도 직 디사디야 가즈 아니 다오 자마지 숑자데라 juk 드기요레 아니 가도 데 드링 좀 고에 데니 돈다 니 자기도 삼 삼바텐지도 담보디 단다 파오 로카 Rangzen 다 로산 판데라 권한지
In Tibet! In Tibet! China shame! China shame! In Tibet! 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 Shame!
What do we want?
Free Tibet!
What do we want?
Free Tibet!
China, hands up! Hands off Tibetan children!
Tibet is not China!
Tibet is not China!
Tibet is not China!
Tibet is not China!
China, hands up! Hands up, Tibetan children! China, hands up!
Hands up, Tibetan children!
China, hands up!
Hands up, Tibetan children! In Tibet! In Tibet!
Tibet is my country. Tibet is not China. Tibet is not China. Human rights. Human rights. Shame, shame. Shame, shame. Stop the killing.
In Tibet!
Stop the killing.
In Tibet!
In
Tibet! In Tibet!
In Tibet. In Tibet. China shame. China shame. Now. Now. Out, out, out. Out, out, out. Out, out, out. Out, out, out. People die. People die. People die. People die. China shame. China shame. Hong Kong! Free Hong Kong! Free Taiwan! Free Taiwan! Free Taiwan! Free Taiwan!
China, China, China! China, China, China! Who's the killer? Xi Jinping! Who's the killer? Who's the mother? Who's the mother? Who's the dealer? Who's the killer? China lies! China lies! Stop the killing! Stop the torture! Human rights!
End the occupation! End the occupation! In Tibet! End the occupation! Shame, shame! Shame, shame! China lies! China lies! Human rights! Human rights! Stop the killing! Stop the killing! Stop the torture! Tibet is my country! Tibet is my country! Join us! Join us! Join us, shame! Join us, shame! Join us, shame! Tibetan children! Hands up, Tibetan children!
Shut down the colonial boarding school!
In Tibet!
Shut down the colonial boarding school!
In Tibet!
Shame, shame!
Join us, shame!
Shame, shame!
Join us, shame!
Condemn, condemn ethnic unity law!
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 Condemn, condemn ethnic...
China!
Shame on!
China!
Bloody China! Shame on you! Bloody China!
Shame on you!
Liar China!
Shame on China!
Liar China!
Shame on China!
China lies!
People die!
China lies!
People die!
China! Tibet is my country! Tibet is my country!
Tibet is my country!
Shame! Shame! Shame!
China shame!
177 immolations in Tibet!
Freedom now! Freedom now!
177 immolations in Tibet!
Freedom now! Freedom now!
Justice for!
Lobga Rangzen!
Justice for!
Lobga Rangzen!
Lobga branch for!
Free Tibet!
Lobga branch for!
Free Tibet!
Lobga self-immolated for!
Free Tibet!
Lobga self-immolated for!
Free Tibet!
Tibetans in Tibet!
We are with you!
Tibetans Shame, shame. Shame, shame. China is lying. The world is watching. China is lying. China is lying. China is lying. Shame, shame. China, China, China. China, China, China. China, China, China. China, China, China. Shame, shame. Shame, shame. Down, down. Down, down. Down, down. No more. No more. Shame on. Stop the killing. Stop the killing. Stop the torture. Stop the torture. Stop the cultural genocide. Stop the cultural genocide. Stop the repression. Stop the repression. Shut down the colonial boarding school. Shut down the colonial boarding school. Shut down the colonial boarding school. Stop the demolition. Stop the demolition. Stop the environmental destruction. Stop the environmental destruction. Shame, shame. Shame, shame. China lies. China lies. China out of my country. China out of my country. China out of Tibet. China out of Tibet. Tibet belongs to. Tibet belongs to. Tibet is my country. Tibet is my country. China out of Tibet. China out of Tibet. Shame, shame. Shame, shame. Justice for. Justice for. Justice for. Lobga bond for. Lobga bond for. 170 self-immolations in Tibet. 170 self-immolations in Tibet. Shame, shame. Shame, shame. What do we want? What do we want? When do we want it? When do we want it? Tibet will be. Tibet will be. Tibet must be. Tibet must be. Today or tomorrow, Tibet will be free. Today or tomorrow. Today or tomorrow. Tibet belongs to. Tibet belongs to. China out of Tibet. China out of Tibet.
Okay. Thank you all. If you could be hard for Tibet, but he also knew how to enjoy life. That's the number I will always remember. On July 3rd, I woke up to messages from friends. One simple
Lobga's last words ask us not to mourn him, not to shed a tear or to sit in silence. He asked us to continue Tibet's struggle, not to forget our roots and to carry on the fight, wherever we may be. His last words did not ask for a grand ceremony in his name, but rather to stay strong and to continue to fight for our country, our motherland, because as Lobga said, the lack of independence is the root of all of our problems. So as we gather here today, not just as Tibetans, but as a community, as brothers and sisters, as a people, I have one thing to say. We do not depend on our country, but our country depends on us. While we may not rely on Tibet as we study or work in a blessed country far, far away from Chinese oppression, our country depends on us to keep the struggle alive. Our independence and our freedom will never be granted to us in a day. Yet if we continue to fight, to keep the hope of every Tibetan in Tibet, every Tibetan who gave their life to our cause, and every Tibetan scattered across the globe, then one day, we will watch the Tibetan flag raise once again in our homeland. Pögelo! 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 Kuchinam.
Hello, my name is Kunjo, and exactly 1 month ago, Lobga Rangzen turned on his Facebook live stream, marched into the middle of the street in front of the UN headquarters in New York, raised the Tibetan national flag, and set his body on fire. He became one of over 170 Tibetans who have driven to self-immolation to protest China's illegal occupation of our homeland. I was asked to speak today because I was one of the 3 people who got arrested for locking ourselves to the entrances and exits of United Nations on the 1 week mark of his self-immolation. We did it to shut down business as usual and to force the world to look at China's genocide in Tibet. Since then, people have asked us why we risked our future, my career, to get arrested. Well, all I have to say is some hours in jail in the relative safety of New York is nothing compared to the sacrifice of Lobga Rangzen. It's nothing compared to the daily terror that nearly 8 million Tibetans endure every single day under Chinese colonial rule. The Chinese government has created a situation so unimaginable that 170 Tibetans have resorted to self-immolation to make their voices heard. And now the Chinese government has enacted a law, the Ethnic Unity and Progress Law, which by every measure makes it a crime to be a Tibetan inside Tibet. Lobga Rangzen's self-immolation came just 1 day after the law was enacted. Before self-immolating, Lobga Rangzen left a final video message. He said, "I don't want you to mourn for me. I want you to continue the struggle for Tibetan independence." From his upbringing in Tibet to his very last breath in front of the United Nations in New York, Lobga Rangzen spent his entire lifetime fighting for a free Tibet. He died on July 2nd, but his fight will not end in death. Let us rather remember how he lived with boundless generosity, unwavering simshuk, and a fierce, fierce commitment to a free and independent Tibet. We must demand that the United Nations fulfill its moral duty to act. But if history has taught us anything, it's that global institutions will not deliver our freedom for us. That responsibility starts right here with us. So to every young person standing here today, this is our moment. We are going to be the bridge between the generations who lost their country and the generations who will win it back. Every day, do something for Tibet. Step out of your comfort zone, join that chapter meeting, show up at that protest, even talk to one person about Tibet every day, and keep doing it until Tibet is free. Pegelo! 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 Thank you so much to Tenzin Kunchula.
Keeping down, down. No more. No more. China lies. China lies. Wake up, wake up. Wake up, wake up. Wake up, wake up. I have a country. I have a country. China out of my country. China out of Tibet. China out of my country. China out of Tibet. Today or tomorrow. Today or tomorrow. Today or tomorrow. Tibet must be. Tibet will be. Tibet must be. Tibet will be. Tibetans in Tibet. Tibetans in Tibet. Free Tibet. Free Tibet. Free Tibet. Last one, I'm going to Se pende de kujuete to te sambe no be na ba tendo no je ka che kon re go je le ke ro to ke to je kam so tembe cho ke cham ze ko nam ke ka wa kya de bang ko la re pen cho te shin ha da ke pen jo che ka sum ge ke la te ki zon de sa pe kya che se ke pe ye da to de jo jo ke be zam le am be ke ku shi de pe la jo pen jo ten de ke te ni ke ta shi na bum do to re se na cho me be ye le ke go che tu je chena long show me lo che ta pa to man cho ye sha se du la ma to pa ta ze ne ta chu man cho ye sha se du la ma to pa ta ze ne ta chu che tong ku kyang ap chu ma ke lo ke che me ma o to so te ta me ki temba ya la la ye ke che me ma o to so te ta me ki temba ya la la ye long sho pe me nam Zam le me mang a je kap to lo sho tembe pang bo ze che Zam le me mang a je kap to lo sho tembe pang bo ze che pen jo ta gi ke wa Kam ge chen bo kon sa yi shin no po Xi je pe me zo ze Kam ge chen bo kong sa yi shin no bo Xi je pe me zo ze Ta wo shen ba la ma Zeng ge ga ma pe ne ta tu tong ge ye Ke je me ma lo sho Zeng ge ga ma pe ne ta tu tong ge ye Ke je me ma lo sho Pe ke lo Pe ke lo Pe ke lo Ka ting zi ga zo Ka ting zi ga zo Ka ting zi ga zo Pe ki ta bo Peki tabo, Kamar pene, तुझे चना